The United States and Taiwan have agreed to start trade talks under a new initiative to reach agreements with economically meaningful outcomes, with a Taiwan official saying China's economic coercion would also be discussed. Washington and Taipei unveiled the U.S.-Taiwan initiative on 21st Century Trade in June, just days after the Biden administration excluded the Chinese-claimed island from its Asia-focused economic plan designed to counter China's growing influence. The Office of the U.S. Trade Representative said the two sides had reached consensus on the negotiating mandate, and it was expected that the first round of talks would take place early this autumn. One topic would be China's economic coercion, a reference to actions Beijing takes to block trade with countries it is in dispute with, such as when Lithuania allowed Taiwan to open a de facto embassy in its capital. Despite the lack of formal diplomatic ties, Washington has been keen to bolster support for Taiwan, especially as it faces stepped-up political pressure from China to accept its sovereignty claims.